Hello, Professor. I'm Jim, and today I will introduce the four writers in different units we studies. In the Western lecture unit that we have covered, we have writers who employ different methods and literature devices to relay independent message and things across different parents. One of these devices encountered is expression of time awareness or obsession. So today I will introduce the awareness and obsession of four writers that we have studied from Unit 3 and Unit 5. So the first writer whose work was covered in class is Rosalia de Castro in Unit 3, Section 7. This Spanish writer also incorporated time consciousness in her Romanticism works. In her poems, she used season to depict the passage of time. In her poems, such as one which talks about glow-worm flashes through the mass, use the season of the earth, such as winter, to depict how time passes. Her vision of time and the aging of humans can be seen through candid explanation in seasons such as summer and winter. However, in Unit 5, Section 3, we studied the works of a French writer called Marcel Proust. His time awareness method focused more on the unlived time and time in memory. The time obsession of Proust odds does not conform to the immediate sense of direction found in the works of other 19th century writers. Therefore, the time themes in the books of Proust focus on the reconstruction of the memories of a life lived without adherence to any consistent plot. And the third writer is in Unit 3, Section 3. Section 6. We covered the work of a Spanish poet called Gustavo Adolf Becker. In her poems, which focus more on mental poetry, time consciousness is also visible. In her work that focus on impressionism and metal poetry, her applied colors and notes to bring about the idea of time. In her poems Nameless Spirit, some colors given emotions expression of time, representing different days. This can be seen in the section where he talked about colors and notes indicating his time consciousness. Lastly, in Section 8 of Unit 3, we explored the works on an American author named Emily Dickinson. Her poetry writing follows a unique style that doesn't follow the same synthetical rules as the other poets. Her work also covered a wide range of life, dice, and mental. Her poems also have some elements of time consciousness. These themes span throughout her numerous poems. In her poem on page 321 that speaks about the themes of dials, there is the question about the passage of time and how humans grow old and eventually die. In this poem, she questions about what human beings should do with their time on Earth before eventually passing away. This poem also brings about the idea of growth through time. Her line set says, causa contentment like stone is a symbolism that likens causas with time. There is because just like time, causa keeps a constant pattern and represent represent something that will happen no matter what. So that's all my presentation. Thanks, Professor.